Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. My name is Dre, or Piiinkylocs, whatever you want to call me, and you're now watching this video on whatever device you're on. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating JT's beautiful D-squared makeup look. When I first saw that, I immediately was like, I have to make it. It was very simple, and I got this entire look with drugstore products. The only thing I did not use drugstore for were for my lips and the makeup itself, the eye makeup itself. But everything else is pretty much under like $15, so it's pretty cheap. These two things, I'll give you substitutions on what you could use because I tested this out before I actually like went straight into doing this makeup look. So I'll be putting the products I use on the screen. It's gonna be a voiceover, so you're not gonna hear me talk because I really didn't have anything to talk about because I wanted to catch up on I wanted to catch up on my show. I wanted to catch up on Beauty in Black. If you know, you know. I'm not Team Kimmy. I think Kimmy is a dummy bitch. But anyway, I digress. Go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so like I said, I really don't have anything to talk about, so I'm only going to come in when I need to be during this video, or if I need to explain something. So after this, I won't really be talking for a while up until we get to the contour part, so just enjoy.
Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. I'm with a booster, scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes who you can't fuck with me. Fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She saying that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? You say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She saying that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? You say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Iced out name plate, and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass and videos. In the cut, getting high with an emo hoe. In the cut, getting high with an emo hoe. Motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She saying that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? You say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She saying that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? You say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Cause to go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. I'm the one who run the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done bent the realest blocks, pushed the hardest sixes. Keep a couple.
Alright, I am back with the contouring part of the video, and obviously it looks crazy. That's why I'm here to let you guys know the obvious. It gets crazier right here. But I blend it out and then it looks fine. I also wanted to point out I am using the curved case, but I don't have it listed on the screen because it was $32 and that's not affordable for everybody. But I do use a different contour palette in this video just later on, and it's like $7 at Target, so yay! Also, there'll be times when I turn to the left or right and you'll see a harsh line where my jawline is. That was me trying to contour my jawline. That shit doesn't work for me. I tried to clip out as many clips of me turning left and right because it just looked a fucking mess. But you're gonna see it sometime, so you'll have to deal with it.
In the truck, I can still go to my hood. They know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. It's like COVID when the goat is on the track. The whole game style. But I ain't playing with these bitches, this ain't game style. If Barbie in the building, then she with a gangsta. He ain't gon' hesitate if I tell him to change some. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house. You mean the pink Lamborghini, that's at the next house. Fuck him so good, I got him walking with his chest out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. Make his dick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be psyched out. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. Cause they go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though.
Baby girl, don't stop. Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck? You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You gotta pop that, don't stop. Pop that ass to the morning come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You gotta pop that, don't stop. Pop that, baby girl. Pop that, baby girl. Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
Is it Stacy? Is it Betty? Is it Keisha? Is it Anthony? Is it Anthony? Is it Marty? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You want shots for the girl, then order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Pot that ass, gotta pot that, pot that ass, gotta pot that, pot that ass, gotta pot that. Pop that, don't stop. Pot that ass, gotta pot that, pot that ass, gotta pot that ass, gotta pot that. Pop that, don't stop.
Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world.
bestie? Is that your bestie? Is that your bestie? Is that your bestie? Bestie. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl.
She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check.
Okay, we're back.
Keep her old stick, army vet. Keep my new chicks tsunami wet. Pad on my neck, arm, leg. Had to make it easy so you get it. I'ma make it hard for the next. Niggas glitching, I can't send a text. More buzz made it killing under my head. Bus side is landing in New York. I just put a vibe from the Bronx and you lose time riding with my.
Alright, I'm back again. So obviously I'm using a palette that's pretty expensive. I'm using the Blend Bunny Ellis Atlantis collab palette because it truly had the colors I needed. I honestly could have went darker on this, but I have a great replacement. I almost picked it up like you guys can see me. But you guys can use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and use like the blue color. I'll put them, it'll be up here. I'm recording this first before I put the picture, but you'll see the colors you can use on that palette, and I'll show you the colors I used on this palette in case you're curious.
My nails make my pants see. I'm sexy, look like a piece of candy. You want a bad bitch, diamonds dancing. Fine little shit, bouncing ass across the pond. And my UK nigga wanna eat me cause I'm fine. Got my heart red.
I had to jump right back in and tell you guys what I was doing. I am using a fluffy brush to like pack on this color, which you usually wouldn't do, but I like this brush to do that, at least for this. And I'm dragging it out, and I use that same brush to put the brown and that dark blue color in my crease to give it a little definition so it just doesn't look one solid color. And I'm going to use a different color for my under eye later. But after this, I'm going to use a packing brush to
What you working with? Yeah. What you working with? What you working with? What you working with? Pay for this pussy, nigga. Get your bands up. Oh, you ain't tricking, nigga. I'ma hit your mans up. Cold ass cocky bitch. Fire in the summertime. He gon' keep the bills paid, cause he know a bitch fine. Bitches always in my business. JT, what you really do? I be at home playing fetch by a swimming pool. I'm a real big dog, bitch. You a scrappy dude. Doing all that wifey shit, knowing he don't fuck with you. Post a girl pussy in your nigga dreams. I'm a hoe that send me bust whoever in between. Gangsta bitch. JT met her, you ain't haven't heard from the ops, yeah, they ain't said a thing. I be damn, nigga, you know who I am, nigga. Long way from crack a closet full of scams, nigga. Bitches on my dick.
For this part, yo, I don't know the lashes. I know I got them from Shein. I probably won't be able to find them, but if I do, I'll link it in my description.
Self-esteem drop every time I show up. Yeah, wrist doing 80 in a 35. Shut Marnie down for some furry slides. Look him in his eyes and tell him dirty lies. Caught me
Favorite part now, the lips. Oh my gosh.
Working from the Everglades, and I ain't gotta do a motherfucking thing. I ain't gotta do a motherfucking thing, bitch. Period. Told y'all hoes I don't work jobs. I am a motherfucking job. Bitches always in my motherfucking business. Worry about the fuck I got going on, ho. It's city girl shit. Even when you think it ain't city girl shit. I'm a city girl, bitch. Second verse, so you hating assholes who get mad every time I.
So in this next clip, I'm using the shade Angel. It's a frost shade by MAC, but a great dupe for that would be 657 Nude and shade 20 Pink and Proper, both by Maybelline, topped with a pink gloss.
Oh shit! This is eating!
Prayed up and I'm waiting on my rivalry. I'm the hype, nah, y'all ain't gotta hype me. I'm that bitch, give a fuck who don't like me. It's grind time, no flossing. Let's get it. Put out the truck and put the portion. These bitches tired, they exhausted. Got bitches tanning for this dark skin. Bitch, I'm really from the trenches. Wear shots, I ain't talking about syringes. Yeah, I'm really from the trenches. Pretty ass lips make these bitches cop syringes. Mwah. No balls.
Alright guys, so I am officially done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this voiceover. I really think I did a really good job with this JT look. Like, this shit eats so fucking bad. This eats so bad. This is so cute. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for 40 followers. Like, you guys, it's not a lot to some people, but like, I gotta turn this shit down because like I'm watching Friday in the background and the bitch is loud. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time in another video.